Alright guys, so before we start off with today's video, I would like to ask you to go to my second channel in the description because I'm now going to frequently upload videos on that one about some interesting real talk stuff. So if you want to become a successful Roblox developer, then make sure to check out the second channel, guys. Link in the description. And yeah, so today's video right here is going to be our stage 2 of our observation Haki. So you're able to look through walls and that's it. So there's nothing special into it. You can of course add some cool particles, some cool effects when this Haki when this observation Haki starts. You can do that if you want to. I didn't do it. So if you have any ideas on that, then drop them in the comment section. Maybe I'll make another video adding those particles to it if you guys want to. But with that being said, enjoy.